Dive into a world where comfort food meets convenience, all in one pan and under budget. Welcome to AI Easy Recipes. We're unlocking the secrets to creating delicious, nutritious meals that are both comforting and easy on the wallet. Get ready for a cooking experience that's as simple as it is satisfying. Let's get cooking with Gemini. Hi, Gemini. I would like to prepare a main entree for 4 people. I will be using 1 pot to cook this meal. My guests have no allergies. I would love the recipe to be comfort food. Some things to keep in mind. The meal needs to be healthy and nutritious. Feel free to include chicken. Please also include a shopping list. Looking forward to tasting our aromatic meal.
Hello there. On days like today, when it's all overcast and a little gloomy, I just crave something warm and comforting. And guess what? Pan-fried chicken thighs with zucchini sounds absolutely perfect. So, let's make a healthy and budget-friendly one-pan meal that everyone's gonna love. We're making one-pan lemon herb chicken thighs with zucchini and potatoes. It's gonna be super simple and packed with flavor. All right, let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. 2 medium zucchini, sliced into half-inch rounds. 2 medium potatoes, Yukon Gold or red potatoes work great, cut into 1-inch cubes. 1 medium yellow onion, sliced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 lemon, sliced and juiced. 2 tablespoons of fresh herbs, think thyme, rosemary, or a mix, chopped. Salt and pepper to taste. Now let's get cooking. Here's how we're gonna do it. First things first, let's preheat that oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Next, grab some paper towels and pat those chicken thighs dry. Then, season them generously with salt and pepper. Now, for the sizzling part, grab a big oven-safe skillet, cast iron is perfect, and heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Place the chicken thighs skin side down in the hot skillet and sear them for 5 to 7 minutes until the skin is beautifully golden brown and crispy. Yum! Flip the chicken and sear for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. We want that color. Take the chicken out of the skillet and set it aside. We'll bring it back later. Now, let's get to the veggies. Add the remaining tablespoon of olive oil to the skillet. Toss in the sliced onions and potatoes and cook them for 5 to 7 minutes until they're slightly softened. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute until it smells amazing. Then, add the zucchini slices and cook for about 3 minutes. We don't want them mushy. Time to put it all together. Put the chicken thighs back in the skillet, nestling them right in with the vegetables. Squeeze the lemon juice over the chicken and veggies. Then, place the lemon slices right in the pan with everything else. Sprinkle those chopped herbs over the whole skillet. It's gonna smell fantastic. Into the oven it goes. Transfer the skillet to the preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Or until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. And finally, let's serve it up. Take the skillet out of the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Then, just serve the chicken and vegetables right from the skillet. Easy peasy. And there you have it. A warm, comforting, and delicious one-pan meal perfect for an overcast day. Find the full shopping list, the recipe, cook time, and some handy nutritional tips in the description below. Enjoy your delicious and budget-friendly meal.
Thank you, Gemini. Let me know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see Gemini share next. Enjoy your delicious creation, and see you in the next recipe. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes.